Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start learning anatomy using an easy method. First, understand the basic anatomical terms and positions. Then, we'll break down the body into manageable systems, focusing on one at a time. This approach helps build a strong foundation without feeling overwhelmed, making your learning journey more effective and enjoyable. To begin, master the essential anatomical language. This includes directional terms such as superior and inferior, and understanding the three main body planes. Knowing these foundational concepts is crucial for accurately describing body structures and their relationships, setting you up for success in more complex topics. Next, adopt a system-based approach. Begin with the skeletal system to grasp the body's framework, then move to the muscular system to understand movement. Gradually add other systems like the nervous and cardiovascular. This method allows you to build knowledge incrementally, seeing how each part contributes to the whole. Finally, enhance your learning with effective study tools. Regularly consult detailed anatomy atlases and interactive 3D applications. Drawing and labeling structures yourself significantly aids memory retention. Collaborating with peers in study groups can also provide new perspectives and reinforce your understanding, making anatomy engaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.